Alright guys, welcome back to this channel. Today let me show you a trade that has already played out. Alright, then again, I just posted a video about top-down analysis. Alright, I did a clean and clear top-down analysis on that video, and I've been saying it like for a while now. I keep saying it. I'm going to do a top-down analysis video. I'm going to do a top-down analysis video, and I just did it, and it's just right before I post this video. Alright, you can go check it out on my YouTube channel. I already posted it, and see how you do your market structure analysis. So because most times all I do here is just a short video analyzing a trade that has already played out, so you'd see the things I do before I enter for my beautiful trade. As simple as that. So if you haven't watched that top-down analysis video, then go and watch it and see how to analyze your charts. Alright, so this video I'm just going to do what you should do on your 15-minute time frame, or if you are a scalper, what you should do on your 5 and 1 minute time frame before you enter for your trade. Alright, so this video is not a top-down analysis video. So clearly you can see that alright, market is bearish on the 15-minute time frame. Alright, I'm not seeing the daily time frame or the weekly time frame. I already did that analysis before, but I know what I'm doing. Alright, so these are the things you should check out for when you are on the lower time frame before you enter for your trade. Alright, so right here, alright, price was bearish, clearly bearish, and price put back to this supply zone here, and after the pullback, price retraced, give us a shift of structure. Alright, and after that shift of structure, price went all the way down to this point, and right now price is at this point. Alright, so price tapped into this point and just retraced. You can see this is like a demand zone. Alright, I drew it from the higher time frame. This is Euro JPY. You can go check out your trading view or whatever. Alright, so right here, price put back and gave us another break of structure to the downside. So we know that price is still bearish. Clearly, price is still clearly bearish. Alright, you are not going to trade against the trend. Then again, look at the trade. The trade has already played out. Alright, so don't come here and smoke me or gaslight me or whatever. Alright, so a break of structure to the downside, and after the break of structure, price was like consolidating right here, consolidating, and after the consolidation, price broke out of the consolidation because I did something like this. Let me take this out. I spotted something like this. I was waiting to see a candlestick close below that consolidation. Yeah, like this. Alright. So this was the consolidation, and you can see clearly this huge bearish move here, and a candlestick closed below that consolidation. And I know that this is a liquidity sweep, stopping all the crazy ass retail traders that entered for their buy. Right, immediately price tapped into this point, because a lot of people are using this as double tap, and they're entering for their buy, entering for their buy, entering for their buy. So price stopped all of those guys out at this point. And you can see a candlestick is now closing below this point. So this is now our current low. Alright, and at this current low, there's definitely liquidity at this current low. Alright, so liquidity is below this low here. Let me spot it out. Liquidity is below this low here. Yeah, I have to make sure it's a straight line so I don't get things complicated. Alright, liquidity is below this low here, and let me take this out. Alright, so after price closed below that and sweep liquidity, definitely I had a shift of structure right here. Yeah, definitely call this a shift of structure. There it is. I had this shift of structure right here. I think this is the shift of structure. Alright, give me a minute. Right here, if we zoom in right here, you can see that this is a break of structure. All right, so this low here is definitely lower than this low. All right, and price is now closing above this high here. I don't know if you can see this clearly, this high. So this is the shift of structure, and this is a break of structure. All right, clearly pay a close attention. This low is lower than this low, definitely. All right, and this low now, price is not, a candlestick is not closing below it, so this is a liquidity sweep below this low. Alright, so this is a liquidity sweep below this low, so you can still take a trade from this point. You can still do something like this. You can still do something like this and target something above this high like this. So you see, it would have been a beautiful trade, but I want to trade with the trend. All right, I want to do something with the trend, because if you check this analysis clearly, you see that price can still keep going down before finally coming up, because price is bearish. Because since price is bearish, the bearish part will always be stronger. I don't know if you understand them. If price want to retrace, turn bullish, price will turn bullish for a small period of time. All right, but when price is about to go bearish, price will go bearish like with a lot of liquidity. All right, price will go bearish so fast with a lot of liquidity, because the overall trend is bearish. All right, the overall trend is bearish. So right here I had a pullback after the liquidity sweep below this point. Price came up to this point, tapping into this my supply zone, and sweeping liquidity also above it. Let me just refine it like this, and sweeping liquidity also above it. Sorry. So after that liquidity sweep, I entered. Immediately I saw my 3 engulfing candlestick right here. I entered at this point, my stop loss above that high right there, and my take profit was right at this low. Yeah, like I said, there's liquidity below this point. All right, so this was the trade, guys, and this is how it played out perfectly and smoothly well. All right, so I hope you have understand something from this video, and happy trading day and happy trading week.